Hi, today I'm doing an experiment with two 10 by 10s and some new paint that I picked up. It's kind of fun. I'm calling it confetti paint, but really it's being called glitter paint. It is by Folk Art. It's called Glitterific Pop. This one is called Snowfall, and that is what it looks like inside. It is kind of, it's clear with the confetti in it, and it is so hard for you to see in there. You'll see when I start mixing it up. And then this one is called Unicorn Magic, which is so cool. And this one is much, much darker. So this one's gonna go on a lighter painting, and the first one, Snowfall, is gonna go on a darker painting. My colors are Dioxazine Violet by Creative Inspirations mixed with my acrylic pearlescent mixing medium. I have some, let me see if I can say this right, Iridescent Violet Blue by Pebeo. I have some Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. I have some Amsterdam Turquoise Blue, and then I have a light purple that I mixed up. I might end up using this light purple too, I haven't decided, and I also have a white mixed up. But for right now, I'm going to do a flip cup, and then I'm going to pour. This is the Glitterific Glitter Clumpy paint, and I'm going to pour this on the top once I take the flip cup off. I don't want to mix this totally into the paint because it's a little bit chunky and I don't need that mess. So it might end up not working, but you know what? That's why I am experimenting. So stick with me on this one and wish me luck. Okay, that is really cool. I can see a couple of clumps, which is okay because, like I said, that glitter is a little clumpy. We will see what it looks like when it's dry. I'm going to try to show you. So I'm pretty sure that the white milky area is going to dry. I did water it down. I did add Liquitex pouring medium in there, and I might have watered it down a little too much. So I'm going to hold back on that when I do the next one, but how awesome is that? All right, so we'll see what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, canvas number 2, and I am playing around now with the unicorn magic. I'm going to make this one just a little bit lighter. So what I've done is I've mixed up some of my mixed very light purple, and I've added some of this color shift. I believe this is pastel purple by Folkart, to make it even lighter. It's actually very shimmery and pretty now too, so it's awesome. And this is going to be the first color in, so that way it lands on the top when I flip it over. So that, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the pinks and this more of this blue to match the confetti that's in the glitter paint. So here we go. Okay, I made an absolute mess out of this one, and I'm not happy with myself. Let's see what I can pour off and what I can keep. In fact, I have an idea. It is not what I was going for, but that's kind of cool. I don't even think the confetti's in there anymore. All right, I'm gonna leave this one alone. It's a mess, but I might have an idea of what to do with this one once it's dry. I am actually gonna save this paint, even though I think the confetti might make it clumpy. I might scrape it all up and dump it on a small canvas real quick just to use it up. I hate wasting paint, so. But I'm glad that I found a way to use it because I screwed it up and I fixed it myself, so I figured it out. Stay tuned for the dried results. I think I like the first one better, but I might put an image on this one, so we'll see. The confetti glitter might still show up. I can see some of it here and here and here. There's still some of it. But I don't want to start physically adding it with my finger. I'll screw the, I already screwed it up once. I don't need to keep doing it. All right, so we'll see what it looks like dry. It is dry. It is so cool. That did not sink down. It stayed, that heavy glitter. I think what I might do is, I don't know if you can see, wow, can you see that shimmer? So cool. So what I might do is, I might put a saying, let me see. I might put something right here. I might put a saying, or maybe a character here. I'm not sure, I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna go play around with my Cricut machine and see what I can come up with for a design. But it is, I mean, it's cool by itself. It gives me a lot of a galaxy vibes for sure. Definitely a purple galaxy. This was fun. I'm definitely gonna play around with these glitter paints some more. So we'll see what I end up doing with it next. So I'm glad I had fun with this one. It's dry. It's really cute. I really like it. I've decided that it's whimsical and it would do really well with a stencil on it. So I cut that out with my Cricut, and that's the vinyl stencil. And I'm gonna do a solid color and maybe spray paint some sparkle on it. So stay tuned for that, and we will see how the end result is. Thank you for watching. So here's this. So here's the stencil that I'm going to put on top. I think it's going to be really adorable. I love that saying, believe in your dreams. So I'm going to go spray paint outside, and I'll be right back. And I am using what I am going to call confetti paint. They're called snow floss. I have the Pebeo red violet. Start over again. Today I am doing a fun experience. Oh Jesus. Hi everybody. Today I am doing a fun experiment with two 10x10s and some fun new paint. How many times can I say fun in one beginning?